Welcome to English Clarity Hub.
Work out. Exercise. I try to work out every morning. Make up. Reconcile. After their argument, they made up and became friends again. Break down. Stop working. My car broke down on the way to work. Bring up. Mention. She brought up the issue during the meeting. Call off. Cancel. The match was called off due to rain. Get in. Enter. He got in the taxi quickly. Get out. Exit. She got out of the taxi when she arrived at the hotel. Carry on. Continue. Even after the interruption, she carried on with her presentation. Catch up. Reach. He ran fast to catch up with his friends. Come across. Find by chance. I came across an old friend while shopping. Cut down on. Reduce. I've decided to cut down on sugar. Find out. Discover. She found out that her friend had been lying. Get over. Recover. I hope you get over your cold soon. Give up. Stop trying. She decided not to give up on her dreams. Get along. Have a good relationship. She gets along with everyone at the office. Hold on. Wait. Hold on, I'll be right back. Go on. Happen. What's going on here? Hang out. Spend time. We used to hang out at the park after school. Keep up. Maintain. She kept up with her studies even while working. Look after. Care for. He looks after her younger brother. Look for. Search for. She spent the entire afternoon looking for her missing dog. Look forward to. Anticipate. I look forward to meeting you. Set up. Arrange. They are setting up a new office downtown. Pick up. Lift. Can you pick up those papers for me? Take after. Resemble. She takes after her mother in looks and personality. Take off. Remove. He took off her jacket when he got inside. Put on. Wear. He put on her coat before going outside. Turn down. Decrease. Could you turn down the music, please? Turn up. Increase. Could you turn up the TV? I can't hear it. Turn on. Switch on. He turned on the TV to watch the news. Turn off. Switch off. Please turn off the lights when you leave. Break up. End a relationship. They decided to break up after 3 years together. Call back. Return a call. I'll call you back in 10 minutes. Check in. Register. He checked in at the airport an hour before his flight. Fill out. Complete. Please fill out this form before seeing the doctor. Run out of. Deplete. We ran out of milk, so I need to go to the store. Run away. Escape. The dog ran away when the gate was left open. Look up. Search for information. I need to look up the definition of this word. Wrap up. Conclude. Let's wrap up this meeting so we can go to lunch.